My dear brothers and sisters, want to create today an almond butter chia seed pudding. And it's going to be made from chia seeds, which are one of our favorite nutrients here at Living Tree Community Foods. They're so vital. They're so nourishing. And they go way back in North American history. The Native Americans, when they were crossing the desert, would always take a handful of chia seeds with them, and they would not walk, they would run non-stop without stopping. So here we go. We're going to use as our base almond milk. We could go out and buy some sitting on a store shelf, but it may have been there, who knows, since the dawn of the Cenozoic. So rather than that, let's make our own almond milk right here. We'll start with a cup of spring water in a blender, and to that we'll add a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter. It's grown by the Korthoff family in the Great Central Valley near Fresno, and they're now in their 5th generation. Imagine, on 500 acres, they have 70,000 almond trees. And year in and year out, they produce nearly 1 million pounds of almonds. Imagine that. And the almonds are, of course, alive and organic. So here we go. We have a cup of water, heaping tablespoon of alive organic almond butter. So let's go ahead. And there you have it. It has flashed into white almond milk, as simple as that. Now, to this we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chia seeds. That's just about it, 1/4 cup of chia seeds. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of almond butter. We make this right here in Berkeley, California. And Berkeley, by the way, is a foci, a center of the world's intellect. You have one of the greatest universities of all time right here. It has more Nobel Prize winners who are doing research here than any other educational institution. And even in the parking lot, there's a space there that says reserved for Nobel Prize winners, if you can relate to that. So now we have our chia seeds, our almond butter. We're going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup. This is our luxurious Vermont maple syrup, of course. So, and why not a tablespoon of our magnificent Hawaiian honey? And then half a teaspoon of vanilla powder. Okay. And now let's give this a blend. Okay. And now let's put it into some bowls. So we're going to put this in the fridge overnight, or at least 4 hours in the fridge, and we'll have a wonderful, wonderful way to start a meal or to begin a day at the morning's breakfast with our alive, organic almond butter chia seed pudding. Imagine that. So we're going ahead, despite these times, exemplifying aliveness and vivacity. That's what we're here to do, my brothers and sisters. Your comments, your suggestions, your constructive criticisms are treasured by us. Please leave a comment down below. Our privilege, our pleasure to share with you. Thank you. Let's go forward.